Hello friends, I'm Hannah from Pierre's, and today we're going to learn how you can turn any day into a Sunday fun day. There's something about an ice cream sundae that brings out the creative flavor artiste inside of all of us, so let's get started. So grab 3 or maybe 4 of your favorite Pierre's ice cream flavors, and today we're using some of my top choices, which are chocolate, ice cream sandwich, classic vanilla, and strawberry. But with more than 50 Pierre's flavors to choose from, you can have a huge amount of fun in the freezer aisle picking out whatever appeals to you. Next, gather up your toppings, and the key here is to get creative and don't be afraid to experiment. So today I have some fresh fruit, fudge and caramel toppings, pretzels, bananas, Spanish peanuts, mini marshmallows, golden graham cereal, and whipped cream. Try to explore the baking, snack, and cereal aisles to see what stands out to you. You'll want to use a small bowl and a separate spoon for each topping to keep things from getting too messy. Okay, let's get scooping. So for each sundae, start with a tall dish, and we recommend placing it in the freezer ahead of time to make sure it's nice and cold. Today, I'm going to make a tin roof sundae. One legend has it that this classic recipe dates back to 1916 in Potter, Nebraska at the Potter Drug Company. The owner's son is said to have invented the treat, named either for the tin ceiling of the shop or for the stables across the street. And you can still visit the store, now called Potter Sundry, but not that you have to plan a trip to Nebraska to enjoy one when you can just make one in your own kitchen. We're going to start with a scoop of Pierre's vanilla. And then we're going to drizzle it with fudge sauce. And top with some Spanish peanuts. And those are just regular peanuts with the skin still on them. Then we're going to add another scoop. More fudge. And more peanuts. And there you have it. It's a tin roof sundae. Another creation combination is Pierre's chocolate ice cream with caramel sauce and pretzels. The crumbs from the end of the bag work great, or you can just break some up on top. If you're in the mood for a fruity delight, try Pierre's strawberry ice cream topped with your favorite assorted berries, bananas, and whipped cream. Lastly, Pierre's ice cream sandwich flavor is wonderful with golden grahams and mini marshmallows. And some fudge sauce. It's a tasty treat that all ages will love. So you can make any day into a delicious Sunday fun day. The possibilities are endless, and we'd love to see your delicious Sunday creations. Remember to share photos of your homemade confections in the comments section below, and watch our other videos for more delicious recipes, and make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media so you don't miss anything. We'll see you next time with more creations from Pierre's.